Welcome to all of you on my channel. Think Future Academy. Today we will learn about mentorship. As per CNBC report, 90% of workers with a mentor are happier in their jobs. Today's competitive job market demands from you the perfect skill set to strive in your career. To propel your career to new heights, finding a mentor who can guide you through is one of the wisest approaches. A mentor can provide guidance and support with knowledge, inspiration, and industry insights. This article will explore the steps that can unquestionably aid them in locating a qualified individual who can quicken their progress toward their goals. So, take advantage of the possibilities, learn how to find a mentor for a career, and let your mentor's knowledge guide you to a successful future. In first section of this video we will understand the introduction and how to find mentor. Introduction about mentor. Working with a mentor may be beneficial if you wish to learn new skills for your profession. Mentors can give advice on specific work problems, negotiating strategies, possibilities, and career ambitions. Choosing the ideal mentor depends on your professional objectives and your connection with them. In this post, we define a mentor, explain how to locate one, and offer recommendations for having a successful mentoring. A mentor is a professional who helps another person navigate their experience by providing guidance, building trust, and listening to and reacting to questions and concerns. Mentors should be genuine and reliable, aware of their mentees' needs, and actively involved with them. Mentorship also necessitates professional experience in the relevant sector to advise their mentee, who may be joining the field for the first time, exploring a potential new career route, or trying to advance in their existing job. A professional mentor is someone with substantial professional experience who encourages the development and advancement of a less experienced individual. While a mentor may provide tools, guidance, and training, it is the mentee's responsibility to learn and implement those teachings on a regular basis. A mentor helps a mentee reach their full potential by providing long-term support in the form of tough assignments, guidance, and encouragement. Mentors and mentees typically meet on a regular basis, weekly, monthly, or as needed. Other mentors and mentees may conduct their relationships via video chat, telecommuting, and online messaging, thanks to advances in technology. Every mentor-mentee relationship is unique, depending on both parties' objectives, requirements, and degrees of competence. Before you begin your search, you should consider what you want to receive from your mentor. Here are few considerations to get you started. What are your short-term goals? What are your long-term goals? What are your professional strengths and weaknesses? What expectations do you have of your mentor? What do you have to offer in the relationship? If you discover a mentor who isn't a good fit, you can maintain them as a professional contact while looking for another. Trial and error are part of the process. Here are various steps you should consider while looking for a mentor. Follow these steps to find a mentor who can support you by providing the insight and assistance you need. Number 1. Prioritize your mentorship needs. While it may be tempting to seek for a mentor who seems affluent or accomplished in some way, you should focus on finding someone who possesses the abilities and traits you want to imitate. Those abilities and attributes should be applicable to your long-term job objectives. For example, if you want to start your own business someday, seek for a long-term business owner with entrepreneurial talents who is also tenacious and has great leadership qualities. Number 2. Counteract your weaknesses. Taking the effort to identify your strengths and areas for growth ahead of time will help you choose mentors who can complement them. For example, if you know you want to improve your public speaking abilities, you may look for a mentor with experience and talents in this area. Number 3. Search for mentors in all settings. While you can locate a mentor at work, you should also consider other people who inspire you. These can include community leaders, small business entrepreneurs, family members, and others. Connect with individuals whose abilities, traits, or accomplishments you want to emulate in your own life. Number 4. Don't be afraid to ask. While it may be scary to approach a successful person with a hectic schedule to be your mentor, these people are frequently glad and eager to assist others reach their objectives. Respect their time by conducting research and defining your expectations for the partnership. Ask if you can buy them lunch or a cup of coffee to see if it's a good match and if they have time to mentor. Number 5. Trust your instincts. You could meet with your potential mentor once or twice on trial to determine whether there is a suitable fit. Remember, it is beneficial to learn from people who do not have your talents, limitations, or communication style. However, you should seek out someone whose leadership and teaching style supports and encourages you. Number 6. Reflect on whether mentorship is the right fit. Consider where you are in your career and why you desire a mentor. Consider your own characteristics, what you believe you'd be like as a mentee, and how well you receive feedback. This may help you confirm that you are ready to hunt for a mentor and serve as a starting point for your quest. Number 7. Identify your mentorship needs. Determine what you want to learn from your mentor. Consider establishing your professional development goals and what it would take to accomplish them. This might help you choose who would be a good mentor for you and offer a starting point for your first interactions with them. Number 8. Consider people you admire. Make a list of people in your career that you admire or people at higher levels in your industry who you aspire to be like and consider what you appreciate about them. Consider who you know in your life who shares these characteristics and focus on individuals in your industry to assist you improve hard and soft abilities. It is also critical to emphasize those who like teaching or training and are committed to supporting progress. This may help you think with folks you may know who might become your mentor. Number 9. Start with your network. Begin your quest for a mentor by evaluating your professional contacts. Consider the individuals you presently or formerly worked with and reflect on your connections with them. It may also be good to browse your contacts' profiles on professional networking platforms to identify someone you've already met with who possesses the knowledge you want. Number 10. Explore other options for finding a mentor. Expand your search to include other choices for finding a mentor. For example, joining a professional group in your sector or attending networking events might be beneficial. This may help you connect with more people in your sector, and some of these clubs or events provide extra services to assist ments and mentors match. It may also be good to look at internet databases or mentor groups. Number 11. Prepare your elevator pitch. Prepare to boldly communicate your objectives, why you believe this person is the ideal mentor for you, and your expectations from them. Setting clear expectations during the initial meeting, including the time commitment required, gives your possible mentor the information they need to consider your request. Creating an elevator pitch might help you express your thoughts more quickly and without forgetting anything vital to mention. Number 12. Request a meeting with them. Invite the person you want to be your mentor to meet with you. An email or phone call are both fine ways to request a meeting, but the optimal choice may vary depending on your connection with them. Consider asking them to meet you for coffee or lunch to establish a neutral, casual setting for the chat. Number 13. Explain your interest. Share your elevator pitch with your possible mentor, explaining why you want to find a mentor, why you believe they are the ideal mentor for you, and what you want to learn from them. It may also be good to explore how you might support them as a mentee. Answer any questions they may have and devise a strategy for what to do next if they agree. If they refuse your offer, be courteous, and consider asking if they know someone who would be interested in being a mentor. The benefits of mentorship. A healthy mentor-mentee relationship is beneficial to both sides. Mentors can strengthen their teaching and leadership abilities while also gaining personal satisfaction from assisting others in achieving their own professional objectives. Ments can obtain various professional benefits from having a mentor. Number 1. Gaining leadership skills. Leadership abilities enable you to assume responsibility for a team, project, or process by offering direction and making choices. Leadership abilities are useful in every sector, regardless of experience level. Some of these skills include communication, motivation, creativity, responsibility, time management, active listening, trustworthiness, and positivity and encouragement. These are just a few leadership skills you can gain from a mentor. The more of these skills you possess, the greater your potential for growth. Number 2. Building connections. Mentors frequently have a large network of friends and colleagues due to their experience, skill, and time spent in a certain field. This is critical for the mentee to give possibilities for skill development, meeting new people, and possibly finding a new career. Number 3. Gaining perspective. Mentors, with their years of professional experience and expertise, might provide viewpoints that a mentee may not have considered before. Their insights can assist ments in developing fresh tactics and problem-solving techniques to reach their professional objectives. Number 4. Getting expert advice. Ideally, your mentor should have substantial expertise dealing with a wide range of employment challenges. As a mentee, you can get guidance and insight from a professional who has successfully negotiated complicated challenges like those you face at work. While the final decision is ultimately yours, seeking assistance can help you make wise choices. Number 5. Acquiring professional relationships. Although some mentor-mentee relationships endure only a few months or years, long-term ones can alter the course of your career. With a mentor, you have the resources and stability you need to succeed as your responsibilities shift and your roles evolve. Number 6. Increased confidence. Confidence is a valuable intangible attribute for a company leader. With your mentor's counsel and support, you may build the confidence you need to stick by your decisions and inspire those around you. Tips for a successful mentorship. Consider these tips to help you develop your relationship with your mentor and be a good mentee. Set a goal. Setting goals for your mentoring helps to concentrate your relationship. Determine your goals and work with your mentor to create a plan for achieving them. Form a personal relationship. A strong personal bond with your mentor is essential for developing a positive mentoring relationship with them. Familiarize yourself with them and prioritize working effectively with them. Accept constructive criticism. Constructive feedback is critical for your professional development. Learn to take constructive criticism from your mentor and use it to advance your career. Meet regularly. Consistent encounters are beneficial for establishing your relationship and creating progress. Establish a meeting frequency, such as once a week for an hour at a time. Handle the logistics. Being a mentor may take a lot of time. Ask your mentor about their preferred meeting style and timing, and plan meeting specifics. Create agendas. A meeting plan can help you have focused and effective meetings with your mentor. Create an agenda ahead of time and share it with them so they can plan accordingly. Update them often. Mentors usually want to know about your professional advancement. Share regular updates with them on your progress, particularly between meetings and after significant professional milestones. Be honest. Mentors usually want to know about your professional advancement. Share regular updates with them on your progress, particularly between meetings and after significant professional milestones. Share helpful feedback. Giving constructive criticism to your mentor might help them learn how to better support you. If they request it, give them precise feedback that focuses on the facts. Set an end date. Most mentorships last 4 to 6 months, but you may work together to determine what works best for you. Select an end date to help set a time frame for your goals. Establish boundaries. Although personal ties are vital, meetings should be focused on professional topics. Avoid complaining about work and instead try for useful talks. Take notes. Taking notes might help you keep track of good suggestions from your mentor. Keep track of the crucial information they offer and use it as a reference for future discussions. Offer your help. Ments may frequently assist their mentors. Ask if there is anything you can do to assist them, such as giving your feedback on a presentation they are working on or reviewing a paper for them. Practice gratitude. Being a mentor requires considerable commitment. Thank them for their advice by sending them handwritten thank you cards after each segment or making a professional referral for them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.